Urschel Laboratories has always set the global standard in precision food cutting. But the landscape is shifting, fast. Competitors like Marel, GEA, and Bühler are already embedding AI and automation into their operations, creating new benchmarks for efficiency and innovation. The challenge? Traditional methods can't keep pace with today's demands. AI-powered operations can cut downtime by up to 40%, extend equipment lifespans, and increase throughput without adding headcount. This isn't just about technology, it's about people. Workforce enablement and human-AI collaboration are redefining how leaders, engineers, and operators work together, unlocking both productivity and resilience. Of course, transformation must be guided by trust. That's why governance, oversight, and ethical guardrails are at the core of this blueprint. The next 3 to 5 years will decide who leads this industry and who falls behind. With the right AI strategy, Urschel isn't just keeping pace, it's defining the future of food technology.